Hey Luan, something is happening that's really annoying and I just can't figure it out and I'm pulling my hair out. So I need your help. Um, so when I'm in Chrome and I'm on a dashboard, it can be my dashboard or a student dashboard. When I go to MobiMax, then it signs me in as a student that I've signed in for before. What I'm trying to do is make videos showing kids how to sign into MobiMax. These are kids that are done with Imagine Learning. So I don't know why it's signing me in as Sovereign Mata every time. And I press this and it, you know, supposedly signs out. I guess I should put sign in with Clever. So now it's Sov Mata, but I'm in my dashboard. So I'm really confused. I must have pressed something. I've tried to go to the settings right here and I've tried to delete credentials, which I hope is okay because I did it. Um, when I go to Firefox, I can sign into MobiMax from that student's dashboard and it's not Sovereign Mata. So I'm confused. I don't know. I must have done something. Do you have any idea? Can you help me? Thank you so much.